Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can boost your internet speed on Android. So if your internet speed is slow on your Android device, lagging in games or slow downloads, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can increase your internet speed instantly for smoother browsing, faster downloads, and lag-free gaming. So the first method, you can just change your DNS for a faster speed. Using a fast DNS can improve your internet speed significantly. So you can just go to the settings on your phone and find the network settings. This one on mine is called network and internet. And here tap on this private DNS and select the private DNS provider hostname. Now you can just enter the Google DNS or the Cloudflare DNS if you want to make it faster for gaming. So let's say I'm going to just go with dns.google, tap on save, and now it will boost gaming speed and reduce lag in apps like PUBG, COD Mobile, and Free Fire. The second method, you can use the best APN settings for mobile data. So changing your APN setting can boost mobile internet speed. Here, still on the mobile network options, you can just find the APN settings. So go to the mobile network, click on the SIM card that you use and find this one, access point names. Click on it and then select your current APN to create a new one. Here to add it, you can just tap on the plus icon, and here you can just adjust the APN protocol and the beer. Save and restart your phone. Next method, you can clear the network cache and reset connection. So your network cache can slow down the internet. You can reset it for better performance. Go to the settings and find the system settings. Just go back and find the system, this one, and go to the reset options. Here click on this reset Wi-Fi, mobile, and Bluetooth. Tap on the reset settings. Here you need to confirm your password or PIN, and after that confirm and restart your phone, and it will fixes lag and speed issues instantly. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.